Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a styling of this Glueless 24-inch peekaboo wig from Soullady hair. So this company reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, and y'all, this is the most flawless glueless wig I've ever experienced. Really, because like it's so often I'm not actually able to wear these glueless wigs as glueless, but this one is absolutely giving, you guys. Like, let me put my comb under here. Like, it's like I'm tugging it, it barely moves. Like, of course I'm not tugging it hard, but like, of course it is actually not glued down. Like, I am obsessed. This is actually my first, I would say, real glueless wig. So I am super excited. But we are going to play around with this wig together and I am going to style it for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the wig. Look at that movement. So if you've watched other videos on my channel, you know I love a good 613 1B highlight wig. This is considered peekaboo, which I think is really cutesy, very cute. It's giving like Christina Aguilera in the early 2000s, dirty video. I love it, I love it. But this is a 4x6 glueless 24-inch wig. And I'm going to install and style it for you all today. Like, here it is, thick all the way to the ends. Like, I just love that black, that 1B 613 mix. And we're gonna put some curls in it. And when you put curls in this kind of highlight wig, it just eats, you guys. So here it is, here it is. I did pluck the part like a little more to make it a little more apparent, but we're gonna have to play with this wig a little bit. It's wet, so let me blow dry this part a little bit more. Here is the inside. So this is considered a 4x6 wig, so it goes back 6 inches. I'm just gonna add a little lace tint to this region to just make it blend in a little better when I put it on, so it could just be seamless and give. Then I'm going to blow dry the lace tint so it really adheres to the lace and doesn't get all over my forehead. And it does have this elastic band in the back so you can make it tighter and really make sure it is well adjusted to your head. Ooh, this is a tight wig, honey, which I do like, because I feel like a lot of glueless wigs really don't be actually glueless. Like this one, I feel like it's glueless because it's actually fitted enough. Like I don't know, but a lot of glueless wigs I've been getting have not actually been like fitted enough for me. I really think this is like the perfect amount of blonde. Like it's not too much. And okay, y'all are gonna see when I curl the hair how the blonde looks, but I am really excited for how it looks curled. So I'm going to cut off just a little bit of this lace. It's better they give you too much lace than too little lace, because too little lace, you can't do nothing with that. And make sure if you do decide to cut off your lace, you do not cut it off in a straight line, because you do not want it to look crazy. Oh, I'm glad I can just slap on this wig when I take my dog outside now. Like, okay, this is good. This is really good, okay. I don't know if I just haven't been adjusting a lot of glueless wigs, because I just haven't been crazy about glueless wigs. I don't know, like they never just give to me. Okay, so let's actually style this wig and make it just eat. Firstly, I'm going to go in with a little of a slick stick. You can use any brand. Ooh, mine is broken. Hold up now. Well, here it is. It fell out of the container. But yeah, I'm just going in with the slick stick. And then I'm going to use my hot comb and push it down. Make sure you all are super careful when you're using a hot comb with the wig on your head, because I burnt my head so badly. It's literally a burnt spot underneath this wig. This is definitely a great wig to just throw on real quick. And it just feels snug. It feels snug, so I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna go in with a little concealer to clean up this part a little more, and then we are going to work on these curls. Okay guys, so I'm not completely sure if I want to add baby hair to this wig or not, but we are going to do that. Let's go ahead and add baby hair. You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. So I am going to go ahead and add a little baby hair on the side because I am a baby hair fiend. I don't care. I don't care how old I get. I might still be a baby hair fiend. Okay, cute, cute, cute. It is eating. Okay, and I'm gonna blow dry it just to make sure it is stuck right there. I am actually very much impressed with this glueless wig. Like, I've never seen them look like this. Like, I really haven't. That's really impressive. I'm not lying to you guys. That's really cool. I don't know, like, this one is actually super fitted. Like, even if I'm not tugging super hard, but like, it's really not coming up, you guys, which is super cool, and it's glueless. I really did not put anything on this wig. There you go, now you can see. Yeah, so I didn't put any glue on the wig, but it looks really good. So now I'm going to pop a few curls in this hair. And really, when you curl this hair, that's when you're gonna be able to see all that cute little blonde. Let me see. So let's start with this piece. I'm really not good at barrel curls at all, you guys, but I'm trying. I'm really just learning. It curls pretty. I think it's just my fault. I was missing a piece. Let me try this again. Let's try this again. This actually looks fantastic. I'm actually really impressed. You know what? I can't barrel curl. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just gonna one curl this with my curler iron and call it a day because I do not know how to do it. I'm sorry, I tried. Okay, it's looking cute. It's looking cute. And just like that, you see the blonde, it's like a little peekaboo. Like, you see, now I see the peekaboo name. Like, you see it's peeking through. It's very cute. But I'll be back when I finish curling the rest of my hair because, as y'all can see, it is a struggle for me, but I will be back. Okay guys, so I finished curling my hair and I just love the peekaboo style because I noticed depending on which direction I curl the hair, like, you would see more blonde. Like, you can really change the style if you want more blonde to show. So if you want some more blonde, you could do a little pin back style like that on each side. And you can have a lot more blonde if that is what you're going for. Maybe if you do like a side part, if you decide to do like a side part, I'm just playing with it right now, you will have like a lot more blonde showing, which is just a lot of fun. You can kind of switch it up. And it also, when you just want to be mostly black, it's nice to just have like that little pop of color, a few strands here and there that just kind of whoop, whoop, you know, just kind of pop out, which is cute. I like it. It is very fun. Like, okay, yeah. This is eating. I do really like this. It just adds like a little spice. If you're too afraid to go completely blonde, this is for you, 100%. But once again, this wig is from Soullady. I'm going to link it in the description box. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.